Are you worried about viruses, malware, or other online threats? In this video, we'll show you how to use TotalAV to remove threats with a full system scan and activate real-time protection to stay protected 24/7. Once installed, open the TotalAV app on your computer. To check your entire device for threats, click on Smart Scan. This will start a scan of your device for malware, viruses, and other threats. The scan can take several minutes to complete. Once the scan is finished, TotalAV will display a list of any threats found. You can review each one to see your level of risk. From here, you can remove and quarantine the harmful files and protect your system. To keep your device protected 24/7, you should enable real-time protection. Real-time protection checks any downloads and files as you're using them, immediately jumping into action if a threat is detected, saving your device from becoming infected. To set this up, head to Settings, then click on Real-time Protection. Make sure it's turned on. This will actively monitor your system and prevent future threats. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to protect your computer. TotalAV has won multiple industry awards for detection, virus removal, and performance, including multiple top product awards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more tech security tips. Stay safe out there.